Hello, and welcome to another edition of Business Automations with Ben. Today, I am thrilled to announce that IF now has a direct integration with Google My Business. Google My Business is a free tool which helps businesses, brands, organizations manage their online presence across Google. It allows you to build a business profile which can be found on Google Search and Google Maps. It's a great place to share information about your business, such as products, services, store hours, contact information, photos, etc. Today, I'm going to show you a few really powerful ways that you could automate Google My Business on IF. The trigger for this first applet is coming from the Eventbrite service, and it's going to fire every time I create a new event. Create trigger. Now for the action, add for Google My Business. Select this first one here, create event post. Okay, and so here's where we fill out the ingredients. So for event name, we're going to select event name. Start date and time, we're going to do start time. For end date and time, we're going to put end time. For summary, select summary. For action button text, we're going to just select sign up and create action. Continue. Here's the default title it creates for us. I'm going to delete that and simply put post events to GMB Google My Business. This next applet is going to fire every time we get a new review on our Google My Business profile. Select new review, create trigger, select then that. We're going to search for notifications, send a notification from the IFT app. The default message that it has here is new, the number of stars, star rating, star review for location name. Now we can add a timestamp with create time, and we can also add the comment that they left as well as the reviewer name. Create action. We can do something very similar with a SMS. We can also have this shared to a Slack channel so we can review our reviews with our coworkers. If we're confident enough in the reviews that we'll get, we can have them posted as a tweet to Twitter or perhaps Facebook. Personally, I'm a Google Sheets nerd, so I'm going to want all of my reviews sent to a Google spreadsheet. Okay, similar to the last applet, the trigger for this is going to be new review from my Google Business. Create trigger, select then that, and we're going to do Google My Business again so that the trigger and action are coming from Google My Business. And we're going to create a reply for a review we might get. For the ingredients, we're going to select comment for comment, and for review ID, create action. Now we're going to hit this plus button here in the middle. Select filter code, and up here to the top left, I'm going to paste my filter code. Now, what this filter code is doing for me is it's giving a different ready-made response for reviewers that give a 5-star, 4-star, 3-star, 2-star, 1-star, 0. So I will make this code available to you somewhere in the comments. It'll probably be from publishing the applet. And then you can go and use that applet and change these responses however you'd like. Once I've done, I'll hit add filter. Here is the default title it gives us for this applet. I'm just going to call this automated review response applet and finish. Okay, the trigger for this final applet is coming from Instagram, and we're going to select any new photo by you, create trigger, then that, my business. And we're going to create a standard post. For summary, we're going to put caption. For action button, we're going to put learn more, leave the action button URL as is, and the photo URL as is as well. Create action, continue, and finish. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you got something to say, let us know in the comments. Also, you can click the link above for more IFT videos. And remember, kids, avoid the sickness, automate your Google business.